because your girl couldn't find any place to film and your girl has deadlines. And you know what? What's more special than that? Her parents don't have any idea where she is. Just kidding. Subscribe for more.
Pull up in a big body, I'ma hop out with a 10 on me. I got brand new Getty Range on me. 45 might put some wings on them. I wouldn't fall, wouldn't bend for you. Should've went ghost, but I sent for you. I got a message like 10-4. Now you want toast, but we been folks.
So, the last couple of days were like me trying to get 8 hours of sleep in 3 hours, going to college, completing assignments, and guess what? Watching girls pretending to be best friends in school, and also reconsidering the fact that why I can't date and marry BTS. But anyways, today I got some cute accessories, clothes, outfits and shoes to show you guys. Also, this is my first time buying stuff from Amazon. It's a whole new experience and not gonna lie, I am impressed by the quality and the fits. Like, they are amazing and I cannot wait for you guys to see the outfits. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. And also you can follow me on my Instagram. This is me Shivangi and this is my Instagram handle. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, leave down a beautiful comment down below and follow me on my Instagram because you know what? You will not be disappointed. Okay, so let's talk about accessories. So the first thing that I got from Amazon were these Y2K rings, and not gonna lie, these are the most trendy, Pinteresty and the cutest thing ever I have seen on Amazon.
Midnight in Paris.
These baddies come in a pair of 6 and the quality is top notch. The first one has a heart on it which reminds me of self-love, and the second one has more hearts on it which means more self-love and how we should spread love, and you can do it too by subscribing to my channel. Third one has a Saturn on it which screams at how I am the most favorite girl of this universe. The fourth one has some fire thing going on which I think will make you feel hot even if it's like minus 20 degree outside. The fourth one has some flower thing going on which I think is a sign for you guys that you should probably send me some cute beautiful flowers. And the last one has this flower shape in which there is a symbol thing going on which reminds me of Zayn Malik's tattoo and which sadly reminds me of his breakup with Gigi Hadid. Moral of the story, you should always be happy because you never know what's gonna happen next. Subscribe for more mental health hacks, guys. These were available in more colors, but since Christmas is coming and Taylor Swift just dropped her album Red, I chose red.
Okay, so the next thing that I got are these sage green bomber jackets, and oh my god, like look at the color, guys. Like, I am in love with the color.
I remember and seal your
Bomber jackets are in trend for a while now but are still one of the cutest options, especially with this cute cap. And guess what? These are detachable. Unlike my feelings for BTS, the reason I love winter is because of the idea of wearing these cute soft outfits and drinking coffee. And these matching baby furs impressed me a lot. I am so much into pastel colors these days and I'm so glad that I found this jacket, especially in this sage green color, because I am loving it. This jacket has pockets on the outside but not in the inside, but that's completely fine because I am loving the size and the fit. I mean, the size is small but you can choose your size according to your body proportions. I'm liking the fact that how it completely hugs my body and keeps me warm and makes me feel cute.
Alright, so the next thing that I got is this dusty baby pink color jacket, and I'm in love with this jacket because you know what, the length is exactly as I wanted. This is a bomber jacket, and bomber jacket are in trend for a while now, but these are love.
So until then, just wait.
It makes my body looks proportional overall. The quality is so babyish, so cute and comfortable. It is quite similar to the last jacket I showed you guys but is way more cuter. It has pockets both inside out and a pink color detachable cap. I am so much in love with the pink fur and these detailings. Like, what else do I want now? Probably Kim Seokjin from BTS because his favorite color is pink. Would I be able to impress him? What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. This jacket can be paired and styled with a lot of things like high-waisted jeans, dress, skirt, black yoga pants, and then you can become black pink. It keeps you warm and the quality is A+.
Now let's talk about these cute babies. Like, look at them, they are so cute. These are socks, by the way.
Side by side. I wanna be side by side.
These are ankle length cotton socks and these come in a pack of 3. Now I know that socks are often underestimated when it comes to clothing, but I think investing in some cute socks can bring a lot of style in your outfit. The first pair has these hearts on it, which is why I said that bro, I have to get these the moment I saw these on Amazon, because that's the vibe I'm going for this winter. Like cute, warm, and something that reflects love. The second one has these cactus on it, which reminds me of desert, sun, hot winds, which I think is a perfect option for winters. The third one has these pineapples on it, which is again so cute and makes me wanna go on a fruit date with myself. Or BTS. It's warm, comfortable, and the quality is unmatched. And you can pair it with some cute
What
sneakers.
could possibly be next? I bought snackers. Just kidding, I bought sneakers and I am a hoe for sneakers. Tell me I'm in love without telling me I'm in love. Lipstick का stain तो नहीं लगा. But like, look at these guys. These are so classy, like so freaking classy.
What can I do when a million things are running?
I'm in the color white, but these were available in so many colors and designs as well. These are super chunky and these have lace up closure and these shiny detailings, like bro, these are so cool. I think a cute, chunky and cool sneaker would balance out all the hotness that's going throughout the body. Talking about the quality, I am amazed. Like, look at the detailings.
Alright.
So I'm all ready for a vacation or a tour, just waiting for my college to announce a tour and my friends to make some plans. But for now, I can't see the hope of either of them. So I'm gonna do this outro real quick.
कॉलेज वाले तो टूर ले जाने से रहे और गोवा और शिमला का प्लान तो बनने से रहा. So I'm gonna be doing this outro. I hope you enjoyed this video. I made this video with so much love and I really hope that you liked the video. And not gonna lie, each and every product that I showed you in the video, all of them are super cute and is linked down below. And yeah, go invest in some nice cute outfit, and that is the kind of a theme I'm going for this winter, like cute but classy, if you know what I mean. And if you like this video, please give this video a bright blue thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 5k. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, leave down a comment down below, and I'll see you side. Wait, मैं literally बहुत थक गई हूँ. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys. Subscribe.